Yeah, it's too much snow for them. They would rather stay inside the coop than outside. But we'll see what happens. Good morning. It's a lot of snow outside. Yeah, it's a lot of snow today. So good luck to everybody, okay? Come on, vamos. All right, and now these guys right here. Yeah. Morning. Good morning, guys. It's a lot of snow today. All right. Yeah, it's a lot of snow. Good luck. Vamos. You see, nobody want to come out. Yeah. The ducks.